Today was a culmination of the blank firing exercise phase of our annual training deployment. So we did 3 days live range, and this is the final part of the 3 days blank. And we've just completed a mission in the exercise scenario, which was to clear through a number of objectives. And this was really consolidating all the skills the soldiers have learned, getting back to the sort of basic soldier and getting the kit on, getting out on the ground, with the main focus being on operations in built-up areas. Monday we completed our annual combat marksmanship test, so this is the annual requirement for each soldier in order to complete, or as part of what we call a certificate of efficiency, which makes the soldier at a ready state for deployment or operations. This was a combination of 2 to 3 days on the ranges. We took the soldiers from basic grouping and zeroing shoots through some application of fire, where they test how they fire at different firing positions, so the kneeling, standing, etc. Behind the range activity, we had a number of background activities, primarily focused on what we call battlefield casualty drills, and also chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear. These are two of our other military annual training tests as reserves we have to complete each year. In addition to that, we had some signals training, so getting our hands on our Bowman radio systems, going through voice procedure, and also we did some more advanced background training just to get up to speed on pistol training on the pistol range. Wednesday we did lessons and teaching phase, how to clear buildings, how the infantry soldiers move through them, all the different tactics and techniques and procedures that are used for that. Yesterday was battle procedure, where our soldiers spent a full day going through orders, estimates, rehearsals, just getting themselves ready to deploy and be successful in the mission we've just done today.